Hello, and welcome to our lesson on project fundamentals. In this segment, we shall continue discussing the project environment and factors affecting the project. The structure of the organization itself also affects its projects. We have discussed functional and project-based organizations. Now we will discuss the matrix organization. By their very nature, functional and project-based organizations represent the extremes of organizational structure. Sometimes they are too extreme to be realistic. Usually, a combination of the two is planned or happens naturally as the organization grows and adapts to new challenges. Weighing the benefits and drawbacks of matrix organizations involves determining whether they are more functional, project-focused, or balanced between the two. Organizations with a more functional matrix, sometimes called a weak matrix, are more likely to experience difficulties with authority, priority, and vision. Likewise, organizations learning toward a project matrix may struggle with problems related to competition, viability, and autonomy. Balanced matrix organizations may deal with all or a few of these problems, depending on how that balance is achieved. However, it's important to note that all matrix organizations seek to mitigate extreme issues by importing benefits from their opposite. Matrix organizations can experience stress and power struggles when deciding how to populate project teams. Functional and project managers will often prefer a structure that gives their side more power of influence. The project, of course, can suffer as a result. As the project progresses, these struggles are often expressed as cuts in funding, personnel, resources, or deadlines. Matrix organizations can also choose to bring in outside resources, outsource parts of the project, and hire contractors. Because of their temporary, detached nature, these parties may not be as committed to the project's success. Well-balanced matrix organizations regularly reap benefits from functional and project-focused models, less redundancy, generally more balanced teams, and less competitiveness between projects. Because of their mixed nature, the number of stakeholders is typically increased, which naturally creates more work for the project leader and allows the project to draw ideas and support from a bigger group. Projects within matrix organizations tend to be more outcome-oriented. Functional project-focused and matrix organizations are defined by both the practicalities of their existing structure and the culture of their personnel and teams. The nature of the projects they must complete also affects which type of structure and organization they prefer. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss value, needs, and process. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.